If you have recently launched a new product and want to promote it to hundreds or even thousands of customers, then this tutorial is for you. Let me show you a real world example. I own a makeup brand and recently we launched a brand new product called Glow Radiance Serum Foundation. To make the launch even more exciting, we are offering 20% off for the first 48 hours. Now, whenever you launch a new product, the biggest challenge is getting the news in front of your customers quickly. You can run ads, you can post on social media, you can send emails, but let's be honest, all they get ignored. But there's a one place that people check multiple times every single day, and that's WhatsApp. So instead of hoping customers see my advertisement, I decided to send a beautiful product launch campaign directly to my customers on WhatsApp. Just take a look at this template. It contains a product image, product name, new launch offer, and the shop now link as well. Now imagine sending this message manually to thousands of customers. That would take hours or maybe even days. And that's exactly why I am using WhatsApp broadcasting. With just few simple steps, I can send this product launch campaign to all of my customers at once. No manual messaging, no copy pasting, no sending messages one by one. The campaign is automatically delivered directly to my customer's WhatsApp number. And that's exactly what we are going to build in today's tutorial. I'll show you step by step how to create a professional WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your product launches using Pabbly Chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is a powerful WhatsApp engagement platform that's helped businesses communicate with their customers at scale. Whether you want to send product launch, announcement, promotions, offers, discount campaigns, order updates, or any other customer notifications, Pabbly Chatflow makes it incredibly easy. The biggest advantage is that you can reach a large number of customers through WhatsApp from a single dashboard without any manual effort. This helps businesses improve customer engagement, increase visibility, and promote products more effectively. So if you are also planning to automate your business on WhatsApp, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now, without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this WhatsApp broadcast campaign. Alright, so this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features. You just have to come towards this broadcast feature, and this page is going to be appear in front of you. The broadcast feature allows you to create a campaign once and send it to multiple contacts at the same time. So instead of messaging customers individually, you can simply create your campaign, select your audience, and launch it. Now, for creating a new broadcast, you just have to click on this plus add broadcast button and select the broadcast type from here that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast a name. I have entered the name as beauty product launch offer. Next, I'm selecting the contact list. See, this is the most important selection. Here, you need to select the contact list that you want to send the broadcast message. Now, for creating a contact list inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, you just have to go towards this contacts feature and click on this plus option. After that, create a list. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you just have to click on this plus add contacts button. You can also add contacts one by one manually, but I recommend you to add contacts in bulk. For uploading a bulk contacts, you need to upload a CSV file of your contacts. Now, what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format, just like this. See here, I have arranged provide the user's first name, last name and the phone number. For creating a CSV file, you can use Google Sheets or Excel. I have added my contacts inside the Google Sheet. After that, you just have to download the file in a CSV format. The only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit, and you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. For adding a new contacts, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and then just drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload files, select the file from here and click on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contact. So this is how easily you can add contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. I have created the list by the name of new list where I added only 60 contacts, and this is the same list that I have selected here too. After that, the refined audience, it is an optional. If you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that will not receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from here. I am not excluding the contact list as well as the contacts. After that, this is the toggle. When you enable this toggle, you can skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Now the next one is the message type. See, it will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting the message type from here and enter the message content in this field, but I recommend you to go with this pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all WhatsApp guidelines. After that, you just have to click on the select WhatsApp template button, and this is the beauty product launch offer template that I have already created before. Here I want to add one image too, so for that I'm clicking on this option and selecting this image from here. So this is the final look of the template that are going to visible in front of your user. For creating this type of attractive template, you just have to go to this templates feature, as everything is present inside this single tool. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. It is a predefined message used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a new template, you just have to click on this plus add template button and follow the instructions. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create the templates inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. I have already created some templates before, and this is the beauty product launch offer template that we are going to use in this video. After selecting that template, next you need to test the broadcast. So for testing purpose, I am entering a username as test user and entering my number in this field. After entering the number, I am clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp too. See, immediately I received a new message, and this is the same message that I want to send to all of my contacts. Look at this, how attractive this template is. I have created this as a complete example. You can design it according to your business or based on your product. As we have successfully received the message in our WhatsApp, this means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Next, you just have to schedule the broadcast. It will provide you two options as yes, schedule for later or no send instantly. So if you want to send these templates to all of your contacts, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button, and this template is going to be sent to all of your contacts that are present inside this list. But I am scheduling this broadcast for later, so I am selecting this option. After that, I am selecting the date and time from here. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast for 22 of June at 5:30 p.m. See, on 22nd June 2026 at 5:30 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my 60 contacts, means these. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. See, our broadcast is created successfully, and here it is scheduled too. And that's it. Your WhatsApp product launch broadcast campaign is now ready. So with the help of this, you can also simply create your own campaign, select your audience, and let Pabbly Chatflow handle the rest. So whether you are launching a new product, announcing a special offer, promoting a seasonal sale, or introducing a new collection, WhatsApp broadcast campaign can help you reach your customers quickly and effectively. And because the message is delivered directly on WhatsApp, it gives your campaign campaign a much better chance of being seen compared to many traditional marketing channels. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest automation and WhatsApp marketing tutorials. Also, if you like to create a powerful WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your own business, then check out Pabbly Chatflow plans and purchase by using my coupon code MEHYT. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.